Hey guys, welcome to my new blog. I'm Shahil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Shahil Khan. Friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and like my videos and share with your friends. So friend, this is a blog video and I'm shooting. It is my second blog and I'm in coaching and you can look here. Here's all around greenery and I like these all things, so I came here and I decided to make a video for YouTube. So friend, in this video I'm going to share that how did I start my English journey, basically how I went for speaking in English. So friends, when I was in 9th standard, so first time I was scrolling on YouTube and I watched a video on YouTube, and there is a small boy who was speaking well. Then first time I realized that I can speak in English when he is speaking, so I can speak. So then I went for English speaking. I went that how to learn English, and I got a lots of clue. I got a lots of knowledge that how to speak. So after that I watched videos on YouTube and I learned something, and in my school I learned tenses, modals, and I did practice, and after that I'm able to speak normal English. I'm not fluent. I will never say that I'm fluent English speaker, but I can speak normal English. So if you are trying in initial days slowly, so it is not bad, it is good. That नथिंग इज़ बेटर दैन समथिंग, कि आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो उससे अच्छा तो कुछ कर रहे हो, यानी कि आप स्पीकिंग करिए. डोंट थिंक दैट आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग फास्ट, आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग वेरी लाइक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर. सो फ्रेंड्स, no one is here that from birth he is a better. So that's why if you are trying, so my god, here is a crackers was cracked by children. So my dear friends, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, support me. I'm your shorter brother. My name is Shahil Khan. So I was that topic that if you are new in initial days, just speak, focus on your speaking and learn things, learn from everywhere, and don't hesitate to speak on anywhere. Just speak. You are new, you are making mistakes, so it is common thing. Friends, it is common that you are making mistake. Just go, just participate in debate, and if someone is new, is someone, if someone have a friend like who has a knowledge of English speaking, so go to so speak with them. Don't think that who what say, who what not say. Just speak. So I'm saying just try. One day will come that you will speak fluently. As I'm new, I'm speaking. Yeah, I know that I'm making mistake, a lots of mistake in this video, but I will not consider about it. I'm learning. I'm initial days, so I'm learning. That's why if I'm doing mistake, it is normal, it is common. After you will watch in my other video in future that I'm speaking very well, very fast. But now initial day I'm speaking slowly, so I'm learning. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.